Hey everybody, welcome to another episode. Today we are in deer camp. We're mostly bow hunting. We're trying to get onto a few deer, but it's the rut's finished, so we're pretty much just doing a bit of bushwalking with a bow, trying to find a deer, but it's super thick everywhere through here. There's so much cover for the deer. We'll give it a go anyways. If not, if we want to get some meat, we've got the rifles there, and well, if we've got them there, we're not going to pass up the opportunity to get a few deer for some meat for camp and home. There's also a few goats in here. We've seen a couple of foxes, so I'm just about to head out for a hunt now. The deer have actually been out pretty early in the day. Yesterday we seen some feeding at, I don't know, out in the open at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, which is pretty early really. Anyways, we'll see how we go. Anyways, I'm heading out this afternoon looking for a deer or a fox. I'm just going to take it slow because it's very thick. I'm just hoping to just bump into something. That's pretty much all we can do. I'm on my way to check a few clearings out to see if anything's coming out to feed. Never know, we might get a bit lucky. Been seeing a lot of sign. Obviously the rut's over now, so all the scrapes aren't getting used, so our best chance is just trying to find something that's either travelling between food and bed, that's kangaroo, or coming out to feed. So that's what I'm just going to go through here slow. Anyways, I'll get back to you if I see anything interesting. So I've just been sitting down here, just seeing what's coming out, because it's a pretty big clearing. There's quite a bit of sign, like tracks coming to here. I haven't actually checked this spot this trip, but it's bloody cold right now. But I just seen two fallow, two does come out, and a nice meaner one and a little chocolate one as well. I'm just going to give it a little bit longer. The sun's just gone down. I can still see. I just want to see if anything else is going to come out, so I'll just hang out for a bit. Yeah, we'll give it a few more minutes and then I'll start heading back. It's getting quite late in the trip. I just jumped out of the car. I'm gonna go check out a spot I haven't looked at ever before. I've been to this place once or twice before, but never been down there. This is a pretty hard block to hunt because it's so thick, and the rut's finished now, so there's no noise. So we've been bow hunting every day, and we're literally just walking through where there's sign and hoping to to bump into a buck. We have seen one nice buck, but we've only seen one good buck and one that was young and very clefted. But this is the last afternoon, so I've got the rifle with me. I'm just gonna go walk this new area, see if I can see anything in these few clearings. It's still a bit of a walk, but try my luck. If I can't get a good buck, I'll settle for a doe or a young buck. I don't mind. 1 or 2 deer, that'll fill my freezer up and give me plenty of meat. And I didn't even think I was gonna get to hunt deer this year. I thought I was gonna be stuck at work, so I'm just happy to be out having a look. Anyways, I'm just about to go onto a flat. I'll glass it and see if there's any deer. Just got a fallow doe at 170 yards. We'll go and see where it hit.
What was that other deer?
I don't know.
That might have been that spike.
I reckon it was. Either those, maybe the other does.
He was actually pretty cool.
Yeah, he's pretty. He's a lot more meaner than I thought he was.
He looked more chocolate from over there. Good job, man. Shot. That was a good shot. Dropped him.
So how many of us hate getting home from camping and then you've got a mad rush to butcher all your meat, pack up all your gear the day before work? This is what you need. So I just got one of these the other day, a vac sealer. It's got 12 volt on it too, so you can just plug it into your ute. I've just cleaned up here, but I have just done those 2 deer from yesterday, and I have a freezer, oh, not that one, but under there's all those deer, or both those deer, all the legs, back straps, all ready to go. And took me a few hours during the day, but I'm about to go out for another hunt this afternoon. How's this? I was just walking through this thick trail. Look what I just found. Nice young red cast. Got some long tines on him. That's pretty long. Might turn into a good red. Just trying to be really quiet. Been seeing a lot of good fallow deer sign, but I haven't seen one yet, so we'll keep pushing through. So I was walking to, well, I found a spot in the map and I thought I'll head down there, have a bit of a look. You never know, I might bump into a fallow on his way out for a feed or in between. But I probably left a little bit late because I've got maybe half an hour of light left, and I was still probably an hour away from where I wanted to get, which is, it's alright. I'm just back here now. I'm just sitting down. I'm going to glass this bit of an opening till dark. You never know. I seen 2 does here yesterday. Last night I just need a buck or a stag to just come out for a feed, which would be pretty cool. A lot can happen in half an hour. We'll see. Well guys, that's the end of another episode. Hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, then make sure you like and subscribe. I've got a few more videos that I'm working on at the minute, and next week we're going to be hunting some goats, and I'll do another cook up then. I'm still trying to decide what we're going to do, but anyways, that's what's going to happen. And then got another episode of the 7mm Rem mag load development coming up. This time, yeah, we're out shooting it and seeing what load works the best, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and take it easy. See ya.
Yeah, you off my mind.